Shout out to these two gentlemen.
Real quick, man, I gotta give a shout out to my man. I know this nigga for years, crazy as hell. He's called The Show. The Show right here. My man be putting down some funny shit. Uh-oh.
Let's begin. Attention, sisters, brothers, and some mofo others. Y'all shall be seated. First things first, man. Y'all need to give Ucka Cat an apology. Yeah, I said it. Go on over there to Bobby Banger, the Skeptics, and give Uck West an apology. Y'all was talking about he was kicking that monkey science, and now we see young pseudonym. Yeah, I'm back over here. He wilding the hell out. We gonna talk about it, right? Yes, definitely. Young pseudo, young pharaoh over there with Storm Monroe. And that made Dr. Clark roll over in his grave. Made Dr. Ben spiritually say, "God damn, boy, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with young pseudonym over there? He got old nails. Trying to channel the cheetah spirit. I know what's wrong with him, family. Young Pharaoh think he a thunder. He think he a thundercat. He gave up on the black woman, said the black woman is God. Now he tapping into his feminine energy. He said he happy. He to feel the madness, feel the roar. The thundercat is loose. Da-da. He doing all that skittle behavior. He a thundercat, man. Right now, what we gonna do is I'm gonna take all those videos that I put on private about these individuals. Cause man, they saying some shit.
Well, what? You seriously don't know? Everybody knows you're a full retard. What do you mean? Check it out.
So, here we go. Y'all remember this? And then it fucking happened and shit. What happened?
Look at Pharaoh's energy.
Oh my God.
This is an actual extraterrestrial mummy that was recovered in Kemet. Can you see that? You see that?
I remember I was in the chat, right? Man, could not stop laughing. We was laughing together. So that I had to say this.
Just stop laughing, man. Come on, man.
No. Let him laugh. Uh-oh.
But it don't stop there, man. His tag team partner, man, was wild too, like draw four, man.
Every fucking weekend we work, nigga. Fuck, nigga, I done had like 5 STDs,
This
nigga.
dude.
Fuck is you talking about? STD, that was the middle of my middle name back in the day. Every fucking weekend we work, nigga. Fuck you talking about STD, bitch? I don't give about no fucking.
He don't give a F about no STD. Another deviant, contaminating the coochie pool, carbonation, living in that Scooby-Doo car and shit, that Scooby-Doo van. Hey, we know the outcome with this one. What happened to this one, man? What happened to him and shit? He effed around and he found out.
They won't let me down. They won't let me down.
And that peace, family.
This is Imhotep, right? Just here to share my personal experience on attempted mentorship program with Brother Polight. I paid $3,500 and I didn't get a single thing, and I want to warn other people that could possibly run into the same thing. Yeah.
Oh man. If you spoke out against Brother Polight, man, them bitches to get at you. They'll come at you with legal terms and shit like that. Because, see, with Brother Polight, nigga, y'all think he just smart. No, he got a team that be feeding him that information and shit, right, man? And he was getting y'all. And then we found out something about him that we was like, damn. He was embarrassed about it. Yeah, that situation that he got caught up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Like father, like son. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna start taking these videos off of private, right? And we gonna keep this information rolling, because a lot of the new people that's looking at this, they don't know. But a lot of us, we lived through that shit. We lived through the fuckery. Indulge yourself into some of this ignorance, man. Shout out to Sawnetta and shout out to Uncle Cat, man. Go ahead and apologize to Uncle Cat.